Hello everyone. Today let's talk about how the 95 watts PoE injector can benefit us. Well, first of all, let's take a look at what's PoE. Well, PoE is the technology that can help us transmit power and data through a single Ethernet cable. And then it will save us all the trouble of finding alternating current outlets, figuring if our power cord is long enough, and it's really easy to set up actually, because anyways we're going to need a cable connecting something, and we're going to use one cable to complete both tasks, so that would be very beneficial and convenient. So what is a PoE injector? Well, PoE injector is a device that is specially designed to help us benefit from the PoE technology. Imagine we have a network system which is not PoE enabled, like our household routers. Then we can use a PoE injector, it will receive the data and then inject power and data to the Ethernet cable from this port, the out port, the PoE port, which outputs the data and power, which will help us complete a standard PoE system. Or if we have a standard PoE system and we connect too much devices to the PoE switch and we're going to need some extra power, we can use a PoE injector as well. It will inject the power even though it has receiving power. So either way, it's really beneficial and it is really easy to install, easy to connect to our alternating current, and then just simply plug the right Ethernet cables in the right place and ta-da, the system is set up. So it's not that difficult actually. And what's so special about our 95 watts PoE injector? Well, first of all, it complies with IEEE 02.3 BT protocol. So it uses all 4 twisted pairs on the Ethernet cable to send power and data. Full capacity, high power. And then this one, usually there is PoE Plus, which will remain about 20 watts at the ending device, and PoE Double Plus, which is has a remainder of 40 at the edge device, while our 95 watts PoE injector usually can remain up to 70 watts at the edge device. So it's very convenient if we want to, far away, we want to connect a few devices, set up a small mini network system for some IP devices, and this will support us the power. In this case, in the remote area, we don't need to worry about the power source. Isn't that convenient? So in order to fulfill that imagination, we can use our PoE injector in a very special way. So this is like using a PoE injector to power this PoE powered switch. A PoE powered switch is also a very special device. It's like a hybrid device. It is also a power supply equipment and also a powered device. It acts as a power device when it's connected to an injector. The injector injects data and power to this PoE powered switch. This is far away and remote, and then it will receive the power and data. It'll take a small amount of power to itself. It will become a power switch, a PoE switch in the field, and then it will present power and data to IP devices connected to it. So it's very special because in this case, say we're in our backyard, we can use this and we don't have to plan any other power lines out there. This is all we need. And this is really, really, really convenient. And for this, just a very little tip you have to remember closely. Port number 8 is used for receiving power and data. So this is the port that connects to our main network and our power source. So do never connect our main network and power source from the other 7 ports. The other 7 ports is outputting power to the IP devices, so you have to remember that closely. So now I'm going to show you how to connect this wonderful system to make our lives easier, and you guys can see how easy it is. So first, power our PoE injector. Now this is on. You can see the indicators are lighted up, so it means everything's working. And now I'm going to insert the main network to the LAN port, which is Ethernet, and then the other port says DC and Ethernet, so that's PoE. So now I'm going to insert it there. Now I'm going to use this 100-meter cable to let you guys see it can go all the way up to 100 meters, which is the limit for IEEE 02.3 protocol. this one here, and this one, port number 8. You guys have to remember. And now you see, ta-da, the indicators are on. This means power. And now we'll lay this down, connect our pound tilt zoom camera to one of the ports. Pound tilt zoom camera consumes a big amount of energy. And you can see it is self-initializing. This means there's power going through and it's checking to see if everything is good, and then it will just turn on and start operating. And now connecting our regular IP camera. You guys can see the indicator is on, indicates it's powered up as well. So this system is now currently set up. We can access both these two cameras, power and data is going through, so everything's good as good. Also, we can use this with an easier, like imagine this PoE powered switch only has 2 ports, which is a basic PoE extender, and we can extend this to 2 IP cameras, which is just like a tiny, smaller version of the PoE powered switch, which only supports 2 Ethernet ports. This one has 7, so this one's like much better. The more the better, huh? And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any more questions, you can leave them in the section below. I'll take a look at them. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.